Hi YouTubers, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I want to show you what I ordered and received from shoes.com. This is a small haul, but it is important for me. I wear tennis shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call them, every single day for work. And I walk a lot at work. I'm in a medical office, and there is a lot of running around that needs to be done in that type of facility. So I'm currently at a different facility than I was for the last several years, but I have worn a pedometer before in my previous facility and regularly logged a minimum of 2 miles just inside the building during working hours. I would turn on my pedometer from the time that I walked into the door at work to go clock in, and then check it and turn it off the moment that I walked out the door. And it was eye-opening. I was walking a minimum of 2 miles a day. At my new location, I may be walking the same amount. I have not checked a pedometer lately to really see, but it's very similar work. So it may be about in that ballpark. In any case, I'm putting a lot of miles on my shoes. I take very good care of them. I wash them from time to time in the washer and dryer to keep them looking nice and new. But regardless of all that, putting that many miles on your shoes, I'm going to need some new ones from time to time. Plus, we all like to have new things sometimes. So I never pay full price on shoes because there are plenty of locations online and offline in brick and mortar stores where you can get things at good prices and not have to pay retail. Now, one of the reasons that I like to buy online is because, frankly, I have big feet. I've always had larger feet, but I'm a pretty relatively taller woman. For a woman, it is relatively tall to be 5'8", like I am. So growing up, my aunt used to always tell me, well, Beth, you just have a good foundation for your height. So I like to look at it in a positive light. And then with each one of the children that I gave birth to during each pregnancy, my feet would spread out. I had always thought that was just an old thing, like an old wives' tale that people said, but it was actually true for me. Every single child I gave birth to, my feet spread out and never went back. Even if I lost the baby weight, my feet stayed larger. So I am seriously buying size 11 women's shoes. And I'll own that, and I'll say it out loud and proud in public on YouTube, Facebook, whatever. I tell my coworkers, hey, this is where I get my shoes, and I buy them online because I need to find some shoes where they'll be in stock. If I go to local stores, all you ladies that wear size 7 and 8, I'm jealous of you because you have all the cute styles and you always have your size in stock. There is rarely ever a size 11 on a shelf. When I go to a shoe store in a brick and mortar store, I have to look and say, okay, what do you have in stock? Not what do I like the best and then find my size, because my size is rarely there. I have to say, okay, what do you have in a size 11, and let me pick from those few options. So I either buy online from Kohl's.com, I have bought from shoebuy.com. This time I'm buying from shoes.com. I pay attention, stay on their email mailing list. When they sent out a discount code saying $40 off of a $100 order, I jumped on it because I knew I needed shoes. So let me show you what I got. I like Skechers. Another issue with my feet is, besides being large, I have very low arches. They're not flat feet, but they're very, very low arches. So I feel like I get a strange fit in a lot of different kinds of shoes. I really like Skechers. Sometimes Nikes work out for me. I'm sorry if you hear some squeaking going on in the background. That is my golden retriever. He wants to be involved in this video, and the door is shut, so he's kind of freaking out because he hears me talking to you guys in here. He can deal with it. It won't be but a couple of minutes, and I'll go give him some love and pets and kisses. But anyway, I wanted to share this with you. So if you have issues, if you have feet that are a weird size like me, or you have feet that have a weird construction to them so that you have low arches or very wide feet or whatever, it's easier, frankly, for me to find them online. I can just go find a wide variety online, type in what I want, narrow down the search by my characteristics, and get a really good feedback on what I want at my price. So let me just show you. Today I got all Skechers. Skechers, love you. I regularly wear Skechers of different brands or different models that they make, and they always fit me well. I love Skechers. I'm not getting paid to say this about Skechers, but Skechers, hey, if you want to send me some free shoes to promote for you, I'd be happy to do that, because I genuinely enjoy wearing my Skechers shoes. Whatever brand or variety model I've ever had of Skechers have always worked out for me really well. Let me just show you. Okay, so the first one is, well, let me show you this. They send you a little card. It says, ooh, your order is here, yay, and it tells you what to expect, and then it says what to do if you have any problems. If you need to return anything or exchange it, they will help you do it, okay? So that's really nice. Now, I ordered this. This is Skechers Sport with Memory Foam, and it is called the Graceful Get Connected in size 11, if you can see that. I love this, and I do try to find usually neutral colors, because I wear a lot of different colors of scrubs at work, and I want my shoes to go with as many of those as I can. So I got these. Aren't these cool? So it's like an aqua turquoise teal kind of color, like a pastel. They're white on the bottom. I've already tried these on, so I know they fit. If they didn't fit, it would be fine and easy to return them. But they already came laced up, so that was easy. You can see this is how it comes. It's got the little plastic insert in there to hold the shape and everything. So this I tried on, I like. Now, Graceful Get Connected. Let's see, this was $53.95 regularly. And with the $40 off code, it was split proportionally, the discount between both pairs of shoes. It brought it down to $32.46. That's a good, excellent price for good quality shoes. Now let me show you the other one. Okay, this is the Unity Eternal Bliss in size 11, if you can see that. And it says classic fit with memory foam. Love that. Now look at this. This is one of the things that I was really excited about. I've never had shoes like this where the laces are elastic, so you don't even tie them up or anything. You just stick your foot in there. Like the tongue is all embedded in there as one piece. So they literally just slide on. So awesome. I'm really looking forward to these, and I think they're really cute. I've seen some coworkers that have shoes with the little crisscross pattern on the side like that, and I wanted to try it too. But I'm going to tell you, not having to tie this up, plus for me, benefit of not having a separate tongue is, I don't know if this happens with you guys. I've heard of a few coworkers that say this happens to them when they wear these shoes or athletic shoes for a long time, is over the course of the day, the tongue shifts. It moves to this side or this side, and you have to stop, and you have to jerk it back and pull it back, and it gets aggravating because it makes your foot feel weird until you get it straight. This is all one piece, so that's not going to happen to me anymore. Very happy about it. These are gray on the bottom with pink stripes and things, and like I said, I've already tried these on and they fit. I'm really happy with those. Now, these were normally $60. They were on sale for $46.45. Brought with the discount, the $40 off code, the proportional discount brought it down to $27.94. I mean, seriously, excellent deal. I would never be able to find size 11 in such cute shoes at good prices in a brick and mortar store. So, my total for those before the coupon code was $100.40, and it was a $40 off a $100 order. Like, I got just to the line of just to the edge there of the cutoff. So with $5.55 or $5.58 sales tax and the discount, it brought my total to $65.98. Free shipping. So for less than 70 bucks, I got two awesome new pairs of shoes, and on top of it, I got 10% off, 10% back through Ebates, which is a good bit of money. So that's like another, what, $5 or $6 depending on, I think they do the total discount. They give you back the cash back on the after discount price, but I'm really happy. So I'm going to put links below to what I ordered and the Ebates link. Order through Ebates so you can get money back on wherever you shop. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your shoe buying tips and online, in brick and mortar store, whatever, and I'll talk to you later. That's how I'm doing it.